With energy demands and our carbon footprint both on the rise, alternative energy research is becoming even more important than ever. JJRF's mission is to inform the public of alternative energy options that are available. We push for alternative energy research that is renewable and sustainable in order to meet and exceed current demands. The biggest problem we face today is that technologies are available but are not being used on a mass scale. JJRF is committed to the goal of graduating from our dependence on carbon and fossil fuels in order to free ourselves from the massive carbon footprint we generate every day.
The possibility of being able to produce fuel from corn is incredible. However, the current cost of producing fuel from corn or other biomass crops is still too costly to make available for everyone as a primary source of energy. Studies have shown there is promise with biomass being able to assist meeting the sustainability needs. By recycling organic waste, biomass and bioproducts do become available. We are asking for donations in these studies to make research possible for all bio options.
Geothermal energy is gaining support as a potential contributor to meet growing energy needs. Today, geothermal energy provides roughly 2/10 of 1% of all the energy consumed in the United States. However, power from geothermal sources can be price competitive. Finding and harnessing a near limitless source of clean energy is plausible even if it comes from under your house. Switching from conventional heating and cooling systems to a more sustainable home air pump system could reduce heating and cooling costs by as much as 50%. JJRF is working hard to ensure that our communities know that we are continually supporting the building of homes with these systems ready to operate. Not everyone has the luxury of being able to source energy from a moving body of water, but those that do should be aware of all the possibilities available with hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power turbines require little in fuel and cost to operate. Hydropower plants are available, but roughly 3% of electricity is generated from this source. Hydroelectric power is sustainable as long as the water supply remains available. Currently, hydropower contributes to a small percentage of the total power available, but in the future, with a little support, those numbers could be much higher. Solar panels are becoming a more affordable option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Many areas of this country have cities where the sun is shining and providing an abundance of unclaimed radiation, which could be converted into electricity. JJRF supports our affiliates in finding suitable methods and of incorporating solar radiation collection panels onto new buildings as well as older buildings to increase radiation collection arrays. As we continue to push for community support, our sights are set on reducing carbon energy consumption by making a standard policy that all new buildings be built compatible for mounting solar panels.
Wind-driven machines have been used for centuries to turn devices. Today, wind is the fastest growing energy resources in the world. With a 39% increase in industry growth since 2009, wind has been proven to be a valuable source of energy that is currently not being exploited to its full extent. At JJRF, we encourage the growth to continue. Perhaps one day these wind-powered machines will be pleasant looking and not as noisy. However, when we are unable to find these newer devices without research, would you help us sponsor this research and assist in finding creative ways to harness this energy source for your community's benefits?